Tired of snacks that are high in carbs and low in protein? Struggling to find a gluten-free, keto-friendly snack option? Meet ParmCrisps, made with 100% real cheese, oven-baked to perfection. ParmCrisps are naturally gluten-free, low-carb, and high in protein. No artificial flavors, colors, or preservatives, just pure cheesy goodness. Enjoy them on salads, soups, or straight from the bag. Perfect for pairing with wine, enhancing meals, or guilt-free snacking. Each serving is only 100 calories, packed with flavor and crunch. Available in 6 delicious flavors: original, cheddar, jalapeno, and more. ParmCrisps, the sophisticated, health-conscious snacking choice. Elevate your snack game with the crunch of ParmCrisps today.